Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reset your Roblox pin if you've either forgotten or lost it. This method is working as of 2021, but if an updated method does become available, I will link that at the top of the video now. And if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing we need to do is come across to roblox.com, and the process to actually reset your pin is different to other services. So what I mean by this is if you use other services like Gmail, email services or YouTube, things like that, then normally what would happen is they would email you a link to reset your password or PIN. With Roblox, it works slightly different. So to do this, what you need to do is actually log into your account. And once you're logged in, what you need to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom. And then at the bottom, you'll see there's some options available. What you need to do is go and click onto Help. That's going to take you to the Roblox support page. And then from here, you want to select Roblox account. And then what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit and you'll see under the account settings section, the one at the top, it says I forgot my PIN. So if you go and give that a click, and then what you're going to need to do from here is fill out a form. So if you look in here, there's actually a link here. It says contact form. So go ahead and give that a click. And then what's going to happen, it's going to go through and basically ask you to input some information. So you would just put this in here. If you're under the age of 13, you'll need to get your parent or guardian to help you with this. So if you're under 13, then you'll need to put your parents' email address in here. You just go ahead and fill out your details, your username, and then you need to select the device you're using. And then under help category, what you need to do is select the top option, which says account hacked or can't log in. And then the drop down box that appears, you need to click onto that and select account PIN. And then all you need to do is just type a quick description. So for example, something along the lines of I lost, or you could put I forgot my PIN. Please, can you help me reset? Once that's done, what you would do is click the submit button at the bottom, and that's going to send that through to customer services, and they will go ahead and help you to reset your PIN. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.